Let me show you now how you can enter the split screen mode on your iPad. For this, we need to make sure that this feature is even enabled on the iPad. So we're going to go to these settings like this, and if you are doing anything else on the iPad before, make sure you come back to the main section, and on the left panel, you scroll through the options and find the multitasking and gestures. So this is what it looks like. You tap on it like this, and you are presented with the three main modes of the iPad. For me, the full screen app mode is currently selected, but I'm going to choose instead the second one, which is for windowed apps. And then now that I have the windowed apps mode selected, I can start using split screen. So what I decided to do right now is that I'm going to choose the first app I want to use, for example, on the left side of the screen. In my case, it's going to be the Photos app. When I click on it, it's still in the full screen mode, but I can grab the handle in the bottom right corner like this, and then grab it like this so we make it smaller. You can see that's what it looks like. And then now I have one sort of like a floating app on my home screen. What I can do right now is that I'm going to flick it like this to the left side so it takes up exactly the half portion of the display. I'm going to swipe up to go home and choose the second app, which I want to have on the right side of the screen. So in my case, it's going to be the Files app. I'm going to open up the Files app, and again, it's in the full screen. So we're going to grab the handle in the bottom right corner like this, make it smaller. And now we have the Files app. The Photos app is already on the proper position on the left side. So we just grab the other app, the Files, and we're going to flick it to the right side. And now the screen is perfectly split in the middle. You can see we have the Files app on the right and the Photos app on the left. And it works well, no space is wasted around the screen. And we also have the little reminder in the middle, and we can resize the apps and make one larger than the other. So that's how it works. That's how you can use split screen. Obviously, you can make it close like this, and now we are back to the full screen mode for one of the apps. I hope it helped. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads.